Hi there, my name is Peter MacDonald. I'm one of the directors of 4C Engineering, a design consultancy in Inverness in the Highlands of Scotland. And I'm going to share something about our experience in meeting a critical challenge raised by the coronavirus pandemic. Together with our local hospital, we have come up with a face shield, which will be a key piece of personal protective equipment for the staff in the intensive care unit in the hospital. The design is robust, practical and safe. It is simple, so there's very little that can go wrong with it. It's worn like this. As you can see, the foam gives a standoff here, which means that the visor clears any glasses or mask which will be worn underneath. In terms of the impact of this piece of equipment, well, it's given direct protection to the staff in the ICU, and it's also given them a real morale boost because they've seen that local companies are stepping up and trying to help to meet the challenges which they have. And the feedback that we've had from the staff there is that it's an excellent piece of kit. They think it's comfortable, they can work with it, and it generally meets their needs. While we had the baseline design, which could be made by anybody, because we happen to have a laser cutter in our own facility, we improved and modified the design slightly to include this laser cut profile, which meant that two items could be profiled back to back due to the symmetrical nature of the crenellations, which you can see there. This design looks a bit more engineered, and therefore from an end user perspective, it gives more confidence, and a lot of the secondary benefits of PPE beyond their direct protection is just the morale boost that it gives staff wearing them, that they feel more secure and they feel more protected, and that's enhanced by having products which look and feel more engineered. The Corran Visors project has been delivered by a collaborative effort of 3 companies who are based in Inverness, all in the engineering or life sciences sectors. The lead company has been ourselves, 4C Engineering. We're a team of 5, 4 of whom are engineers. Of those 4, 3 are chartered engineers with the IMechE, and the 4th is working towards chartership with the IMechE. I would say that on this project, the engineering competencies have been absolutely fundamental. From the application of knowledge through to problem solving, which has been critical, particularly around supply chain. Our entire supply chain has gone into lockdown, so there's been some improvisation and some creativity and innovation applied at the supply chain and sourcing side, through to leadership and project management, and then communication and teamwork, which has been important with these different companies coming together and bringing in external volunteer labour, which has helped to build a rapid number of units quickly, and then through to the final spec around ethical, moral and societal obligations, which is the driving force behind this entire project. Just that role that engineers have to make a difference and to step up when society needs them. In terms of production volumes, this has been a really interesting project in microcosm just to see how efficiency can improve. From our first day, we were hitting just over 10 minutes per person per visor. By the end of the 5th day, we were down to just under 4 minutes per person per visor for production. So one person could make roughly 15 visors in an hour. If you had a team of 4, 60 in an hour, working an 8-hour day, 480 visors could be made. Why is it important for engineers to get involved in a challenge like this? Fundamentally because we can. Engineers have the skills, the capabilities and the experience to fix problems and to build things. That's what we're there for, that's what we're good at. We have an ethical and a moral responsibility, if we can, to step up and to meet these big challenges which are facing us. And we feel that that's what we've been able to do in this situation.